Welcome! In this exercise we're going to look at how to convert line work into intelligent walls using the AutoCAD architecture tools. Looking at this sample floor plan that we have sketched up in AutoCAD, we can take the AutoCAD architecture toolset and the advantages of applying the create a wall object from the tool palettes. So if you right click on it and you choose to apply properties to line work, you can then select the line work that you sketched up. In this example, I'm going to select my outer perimeter walls and all the load-bearing walls in this floor plan. And I'm going to confirm my selection with the Enter key. And the first prompt that I get is to erase the layout geometry, which means if you would like to erase the line work that you just selected. So the default option is no, which means to keep the line work. And this is what I'm going to choose in this example. And now I can see that my walls have been created. However, the justification of the walls is still in the middle. So right in the middle of the line work that I have selected, and I would like to adjust it to the left, so it goes from the outer perimeter of my walls to the inner wall. And also I would like to adjust my wall width to 300 units, as my floor plan has been designed to be 300 unit thick walls for all the load bearing walls. And then I can switch to the isometric view and apply the realistic view style to see how my line work has been converted. And also the advantages of in the AutoCAD architecture toolset is that it comes with a variety of industry standard wall styles that I can choose from my styles browser. So once my styles browser is loaded, I can then go ahead and apply a particular wall style, or I can also search for a style. In this example, I'm going to search for brick. For a brick wall. And as you can see here, we have a variety of different brick walls. So in my example, I'm going to choose this style here, and I'm using the quick select option to filter out the entire drawing on the walls that I have just created. And I'm going to right click on the wall style that I would like to apply for the selection. So once I have applied the desired wall style, I can then again go into an isometric view and easily verify how my walls with all the materials have been created. Thank you for watching this demonstration.